Well, when you need to row your boat, you're going to need a good oar. And you can see that the oar I have below on the bottom here is defective and falling apart. It's probably spent about 20 years in my 16-foot fishing boat. So I found this new oar, and it's in pretty nice shape, similar size. So it's going to be a good match for the other one that I have in the boat, which is in much better shape. You can see that I still have the oar lock here to switch around on here. And then also on this end, you can see the new Crooked Creek Oar has a comfortable rubber handle on the end. So it should be pretty nice. Everything looks good. Good quality construction here and similar size. So it should match my other paddle that I already have in the boat, and it saved me from buying two of them. So I'm looking forward to using it. So it literally took me about 2 minutes just to loosen this small little nut on the bolt here from our old oar and take it off and put it onto our new one with the socket, and we should be all set and ready to go. It's also got this little rubber tip on the end here, so that saves it from some of the wear that the other one suffered and maybe help to break it down over time. It's got lamination and some nice clear varnish on it and everything else so that it can handle being in the water. But honestly, don't use an oar very often when we're out on a boat. Usually it's the motor, and then it's a trolling motor. But the oars are a nice backup just in case you need to row for a long ways or even a short ways. All right, guys, so we have this Crooked Creek paddle that we had a replacement. Here's our old one. Here's our new one. You can see it's got a nice comfortable handle. This is the 6.5 foot long version. There are other ones on there. So we're just going to drop it into our oar lock here and grab the other paddle, and away we go. So hey, thanks for watching. Follow me for more outdoor product videos.